We are back again with more cruise news. I got Carnival Cruise Lines. I got Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. I've got Holland America Cruise Lines. And we'll get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, let's start off with Carnival Cruise Lines, and they have released the official Thanksgiving menu for all cruise ship sailings on Thanksgiving Day. I'll go ahead and put the menu here up on the screen so you can take a look at it. And like I said, this is going to be what they are serving on board all of the Carnival cruise ships on Thanksgiving Day. So if you have a cruise booked on that day, well, this is what they are going to be serving you. Next, Royal Caribbean has officially taken delivery of their newest and now the largest cruise ship in the world, Wonder of the Seas. She is currently making her way over to France. She got a little bit more work to do, those final touches on a brand new cruise ship, and is currently scheduled to begin sailing in March of 2022. Holland America's Rotterdam began sailing yesterday from Fort Lauderdale. She's going to be doing Caribbean cruises. This is Holland America's second ship to resume sailing out of Florida, and she has just completed her inaugural transatlantic crossing on November the 3rd. So, another cruise ship back in service here in the United States. That is always awesome news. And our big story today from Holland America, they have kicked off a brand new cruising program with their Kids Sail for Free promotion. Now, this promotion allows kids ages 5 through 17 who are the third and fourth occupants in a cabin. So, of course, it is double occupancy in a cabin, so they would count as guests 3 and 4. But guests 3 and 4, ages 5 through 17, they will be able to sail for free. Now, to take advantage of this offer, you will need to book by November the 18th, and it is good for cruises through May 31st of 2022. And of course, there are just a couple of restrictions with that. It is limited to only 2 children, and everybody does need to be fully vaccinated. With children now able to get vaccinations ages 5 through 11, this is kind of Holland America's way of welcoming kids back on board cruise ships. So, if you got some kids ages between 5 and 17, you want to take them on a Holland America cruise coming up here in the next few months, definitely go over to their website and take a look at that, because, like I said, 2 kids, 5 to 17, guests 3 and 4 in a cabin, can have the opportunity to sail for free. And hey, who doesn't like to save a little bit of money? I know I do. I just don't have any kids that age anymore to take. And that is your cruise news for today. If you have enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, let's give it a thumbs up. Also, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and we are trying to reach 2,000 subscribers before we reach our 1-year anniversary on the 26th of this month. So hey, if you haven't subscribed, want to smash that button for us, we really appreciate it. Thank you in advance, and y'all have yourselves a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.